Hello guys, hi, I'm Glenn and we are heading to JD's at Borivali, and this is the guy Maverick Arshad, the YouTube guy who has 1000 views, and we require more views from you. So please do subscribe, listen and do whatever you all want to do, but do subscribe for sure. Thank you guys, cheers.
So, with recommendations from Curly Tales on Facebook, we were on our way to Hungry JD's restaurant located in Eksar, Borivali West. The food here is served with a twist, and when I say twist, I mean Jalapeno Pani Puris, Cheese Burst Vada Pavs, and many more.
So here we are entering JD's. They have a train set up and it's going to be fantastic. Come on.
Stick with us to the very end of this video for the final verdict along with the cost of each dish we tried. Hi guys, this is Harshad here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at JD's. Along with me I have my colleague Glenn. So let's join on the adventure, shall we?
Hello guys, we are doing a YouTube feed for Maverick Arshad, and you can see we are at JD's. This is the menu we have in hand, and we are going to explore some good cheese, food and drinks. So for starters, we have ordered a mocktail. It's very hot outside, it's almost 28 degrees, and the bike ride was awesome. So we are just cooling ourselves with some few cocktails. We have ordered pineapple Caprosky and cranberry mojito. So we are just waiting for our drinks to come, and let's see how it goes. Yo. Hi guys, welcome to Maverick Arshad. We have a dish right now. We are waiting eagerly for this. It's called a Cheese Burst Vada Pav. It's a normal street food we get in Mumbai, and it's a famous Vada Pav with a twist. You can see there is cheese, there is the French fries, there is some dressing in it, and the famous chutney. So guys, let's dig in and find out what's in the stove. Round 2. This is the second dish we have ordered. It's called exotic bruschetta. As you can see, there's a lot of veggies, Parmesan cheese, and it's looking delicious. I can't wait to just dig in and have a first bite of it. Harshad, I don't know if you're coming or not. I am just starting this dish. Great texture, roasting cheese in your mouth. Can't describe this dish. You need to try this dish.
Top this up, pineapple juice. It's soothing, it's refreshing.
melting in your mouth. Spiciness, everything. Super. That's it.
So guys, we have the final dish over here, and this is the chipotle sauce pizza. It looks really amazing. So let's check it. Looks yum. But then have a try. Our final verdict to this restaurant seems a bit biased, as the food is too amazing, along with the decor and the interiors being all top notch, displaying Mumbai in the best way possible. The only deciding factor shall be the pricing, as most of the dishes did seem a bit overpriced. The famous Mumbai-local train is used as a theme for this restaurant that gives away a Mumbai-local feel, and also a wall graffiti based on the life of a Mumbaikar is on display. But surely you can say it's worth a visit, and also even more trying a mocktail.